Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, meta tags help your website show up better on Google and even improve click-through rates. So in today's small tutorial, I make sure to show you exactly how to add meta tags on Wix in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, number one, we're gonna open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of that. Go to your favorite browser and look for wix.com. After this, all you're gonna do is go through this wix.com website. Then it will automatically take you to this page where you should usually log in using your email address and password. After this, go ahead and open the website you want to edit. For example, let's go all the way to design website, even though you can still access the SEO settings from here. As for now, we're gonna go all the way to settings. Okay, it may take some time, but it's totally alright. As for now, we're gonna scroll down until you see site domain and SEO settings. Go all the way and look for SEO settings. As for here, we're gonna tap it, then wait a couple seconds until we can see the full dashboard. So as you see here, we have multiple options for the SEO settings, including basically the main page. We're gonna go and check the main page. Check the page that you want. For example, we're gonna check this one. Okay, gonna check this one. Let's go and see the details. Let's go all the way to edit. As for now, edit the meta title. Enter a clear title with keywords around like 50 to 60 characters, it depends on you. Then edit the meta description. Write a short description that explains your page, maybe about like 150 or 160. It totally depends on you. After this, you may also scroll down to the advanced SEO. It's kind of optional, but you can add it if you want to. As you see here, multiple options. Then you can hit publish. When it's fully done, you can also check the advanced as I told you. You see here multiple options as well. But as for now, we can focus on the basics. After it's fully done, tap on publish and it will be good to go. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.